Life is fleeting, time goes by at an incredible speed, but a man usually doesn't notice it. A man is mainly busy with his work, household chores, plans for the future. But there are things and moments in life that one will remember for life. It's not the posh restaurants where you once dined out. It is not the luxurious hotels where you spent the night. It is the simple, ordinary and sometimes not expensive events that remain in memory forever. Many would probably agree with me that a trip to the countryside with friends is one of those moments for a person that stays in their memory forever. Recently, my friends and I spontaneously decided to travel from Samarkand to the mountains. As you know, Samarkand is surrounded on almost all sides by mountain ranges and the city itself is 700 meters above sea level. We went southwards to Taktakaracha Pass. Here the highest point of the pass reaches almost 1700 meters above sea level. Even if it doesn't snow at all in winter in Samarkand, there's always enough snow here in winter and the scenery here is wonderful. Of course, one's basic human needs include not only communion with nature, but also tasty food. These 2 points create harmony in human being. Kashkadarya province, where we went, is famous for its meat dishes. Perhaps the most famous of them all is tandoor kebab. If you want to know more about this delicacy, then we recommend to follow the link and watch our video dedicated to the preparation of this dish. Sheep have been bred here since ancient times. This mountainous region provided the flocks with juicy grass. Many families still raise sheep here. This is a special breed of Central Asian fat-tailed sheep. The fat-tailed ewe can reach 8–10 kilos. A fatty tail is considered to be a sheep's hump for a camel. In both cases, store fat for the winter. In this way, the fat content of the flesh of the fat-tailed sheep is less, as the main fat is concentrated in the fatty flesh of the fat-tailed sheep. On the way, we stopped to buy some lamb for a picnic in the mountains. In any company there is a man who is a good cook, and he was the one who chose the meat for us. When we arrived at the place, we distributed the duties to each of us. Of course, here in the mountains we cannot expect luxury conditions with a gas cooker, cooking utensils and beautiful dishes. We have all that at home. And it is not for the sake for those things that we go to the countryside. The conditions were simple but eco-friendly and the food turned out great, as the company and atmosphere were excellent. For warming up, firstly we cooked a kind of kazan kebab. We have a separate video about this dish too. And for the second course, our friend made his specialty, lamb in foil. The meat was marinated according to a special recipe. We cooked it on firewood, fully wrapped in foil. and while it was cooking, we went for a little walk in a snowy mountainous landscape. What can I say? This mountain air, cheerful company of friends, and delicious food is what produces the hormone of happiness in the body. Stay tuned and see you on Doka Tours.